Hello, Karen Phillip here, and congratulations for securing your copy of my free report, Secrets to Stop Disagreements Forever. Now that you're about to discover how to communicate without arguing, I want to show you another important step to having a wonderful relationship forever. I've only shared some of this on television and radio segments, but today you'll have the opportunity to discover more with this one-time special offer. Clients pay me a lot of money for me to teach them how to be heard and understood by their partner without conflict. So I'm going to give you the next best thing to me working personally with you. I'm going to teach you exactly what I do step by step to make sure you learn the communication techniques to dissolve any disagreements. That means you have not only received my free report to read, you can also get my online training today. This way, you can watch and listen in the comfort of your own home at a time to suit you. And what's great about this is I've already recorded it so you can watch it, pause it, rewind it again and again. Most people are communicating the wrong way and arguing when they really don't need to be. In this exclusive one-off online training, I'll reveal amazing and innovative communication techniques which will really benefit you. And you will also learn how to organise your finances and achieve your financial goals, understanding the gender differences so you can enjoy a fulfilled sex life together, how social media can affect your relationship, and much, much more. This training sells every day online for $97, but I'm going to do something ridiculous. If you click on the tab below this video now, you'll get this exclusive training session free. That's right, for you today, it's free. Click on the link below and grab it right now and you'll get instant access to my training. This is about ensuring your future happiness together. We insure our car, our furniture, even our phones. Let's ensure our relationship happiness. Click on the tab below now to secure your free information session. Thank you.